Google Pixel 7 Pro are great for navigation, emailing, and gaming on the go. But unless you invest in a car mount, driving with one in your lap or on your dash is unsafe and makes it difficult to access vital features like GPS, the app menu, and more. Mounting your phone in your car is a great way to ensure that you always have access to it. This is important because you never know when you might need to use it while driving. With a car mount, you can keep your phone within easy reach and reduce the likelihood of distraction while driving so that you can focus on the road. So today's video I will show you 5 best car mount for your Google Pixel 7 Pro you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. Sellit. Sellit's mount is perfect for your smartphone and it's just as easy to use. The Sellit mount is compatible with Google Pixel 7 Pro. The phone holder is simple and you can adjust it to any angle within 360 degrees. It's easy to set up and you don't need any tools or screws. Get the Sellit holder today, use it, and share your thoughts. All of the time spent looking down at your phone can take a toll on your neck and back. Keep your eyes on the road with Sellit's car mount for mobile devices. In just a few seconds, you can attach any device to your car's dash and be hands-free. Our mounts hold your phone securely, but still give you full access to your screen so you can interact with it. Get back control of your ride and buy Sellit today. Number 4. Bracket Run. Introducing the Bracket Run Tech Grip Smartphone Car Air Vent Mount Phone Holder. This new and improved design is an easy way to hold your phone hands-free during your commute. The Bracket Run Tech Grip Vent mount will attach securely to the air vent and hold your phone securely in place. It's compatible with our wide range of cases and was designed for an easy one-step installation with no suction cups or adhesives. Made from durable silicone, this mount stays in place without damaging the surface and can be removed without leaving a trace. Number 3. Humix. When you're on the go, staying connected is key to your success. Protect your Google Pixel 7 Pro with the most advanced case and phone mount combo today. Humix is designed with a dual-layer protection system and built-in screen protector to keep your device safe. Our phone mount is designed to accommodate any car with any headrest while also being compatible with our case. Now you can take your Google Pixel 7 Pro with you anywhere. Whether you're on the road or in the office, our shockproof phone case and car mount will help you stay connected to work, family, and friends. The car mount suction cup can withstand temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius and work well in extreme weather. Just rinse with water and dry to restore the adhesion of phone car holder. Number 2. Ioni. Sick of your phone sliding off your dashboard or windshield? Get the ultimate dashboard and windshield mount. Ioni's One Touch 5 dashboard and windshield mount is designed to be easy to use, robust, and reliable. It firmly holds your device while you drive, eliminating any worry of it falling off while driving. With this phone holder, you won't have to worry about dropping your phone when receiving that important call or text message ever again. Protect your Google Pixel 7 Pro while still enjoying easy access. The Ioni Easy One Touch 5 dashboard and windshield universal car mount phone holder desk stand is the perfect device holder. It is the best in-car mount and phone stand with a built-in magnet. We offer a complete set of innovative and protective accessories for your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Number 1. Mophie. Transform your car's air vent into a mount for your phone by simply snapping it on. The new Mophie car mount is designed to be easy to install and use, with a magnetic design that makes attaching your phone easier than ever. It also has a powerful magnet that ensures your device will stay secure, while still being able to take calls or use voice commands on Google Assistant. The Mophie Snap Vent mount is a magnetic car mount that lets you use your phone hands-free. Its round, magnetized back plate fits seamlessly in the grille of your car and is compatible with most phone cases. The Snap Vent mount also features a handy air vent clip that attaches to the air vent of your vehicle, keeping it out of the driver's line of vision.